guys. If you clicked on this video expecting some sort of cheat code to getting women to submit, we've already identified part of the problem. Now, there's been plenty of talk about how feminism and female empowerment has changed dating and relationships, but I believe there's only one real and lasting reason why a woman would submit to you, and that's if you are a genuinely competent man in your own right and can firmly display it. This is the only fact about women that holds as true today as it did decades ago, and perhaps even more. But I want to go a layer deeper here. There are two primary reasons why a woman would ever submit to a man: respect and need. Back in the 50s and 60s, a woman may have needed the financial security a man provided, and that was enough for her to see him as the man of the house and the leader of the family. That's where his moral authority came from, and a woman was happy to submit to it. But times have changed, and this ideology doesn't really exist as much today. As women have started going toe-to-toe with men in the workplace and started making their own money, the source of authority for a man has shifted from being needed to being respected. In order for her to respect you, she needs to see you as someone in control of his own life. A man needs to be physically strong, financially secure, and have a persona and character that he can lead with. Now, I want to be very clear here. When I say financially secure, I don't mean you have to be just rolling in money. But what I mean is that you have to be able to stand on your own and provide for yourself. A woman will not submit to a man she feels like she has to mother. She won't respect you if she has to lead you. Taking charge of your life is the very first step. That is the only way she'll be inspired to surrender control of her own. And honestly, that's the best kind of submission because it's completely voluntary and natural. She should spontaneously fall into her frame because it just feels right to her. A woman that respects and admires a man enough for him to lead submits to his principles and creed because she truly wants to. I truly believe no other artificial path to submission can last long anyway. Start first with you being a man of substance yourself. Women instinctively respect a man that has options in the dating market, and that's only possible when you are a competent and highly sought after guy. Knowing this in the back of her mind will instinctively make her afraid of losing you, and that's usually enough for her to fall into the correct frame. You also have to draw some lines in the sand when it comes to respect in the relationship. Don't be a pushover among your friends and peers, and don't be a doormat in your dealings with her. It's extremely good to disagree with her from time to time and be firm in a decision when you believe that it's right. This shows a degree of masculinity and assertiveness that she'll immediately desire. And lastly, give her love and respect back. A woman has to feel safe in her feminine nature. Guide her, lead her, and protect her. Be her rock and support when she needs you, and be a man that she can rely on in times of crisis. When you feel that masculine role in the relationship, she'll find it easier to settle into her feminine nature, and submission naturally flows. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.